Hi everybody! I decided to start an alphabet series, and this one is going to be based on fruits and vegetables. So starting with the letter A, we're going to make an apple. So draw a backwards large C, and then connecting to the top and bottom, you're going to draw a backwards big C. Perfect. And then I'm just going to make a little stem on top. Connected to the stem, we'll put a leaf, similar to a teardrop, upside down. Then I'm going to put a little shiny mark on the top of my apple. And then I'm going to finish it off by putting a big A and a little A underneath my apple. And then at the top of my apple, I will write the name of the fruit. So A, P, P, L, E. And there you have it. A apple, a.